Hey traders and investors, it's time to talk. So last weekend, the US struck Iran and Iran retaliated, escalating tensions fast. But Donald Trump officially announced a ceasefire, and just like that, a 12-day flare-up has paused. So obviously, crypto markets initially took a hit, but after the announcement of a ceasefire, it recovered sharply. And Ethereum bounced off the key horizontal support I highlighted in the last video. Ethereum is about to explode and almost no one's ready for it. The lower edge of the consolidation on Box becomes a key demand zone. But today, we're digging into Bitcoin more. And this one is critically important. So this is the Bitcoin daily chart, and now it's hugging the lower boundary of the descending channel and pushing strong recovery. So from here, we got two main scenarios to build trading strategies around. Scenario number one, it's the breakout to the upside. So if Bitcoin breaks above the channel's upper trend line and does not fall back inside, that's our signal. Open a long position on the breakout once price confirms support at the top of the channel. Why? Because once Bitcoin reclaims that upper line and holds, this kind of move often marks the beginning of a new leg up. Not just a short-term spike. Clear signal of bullish momentum. Of course, the stop loss is clear, just below that upper line. So low risk, high potential upside. That's the kind of trade I'd like to take. What if we don't get the breakout and the price drops instead? Here comes the scenario number two, trap before breakout. So if Bitcoin fails to reach the upper boundary and starts dropping again due to sudden news or risk-off sentiment or whatever, that's when we zoom out. This exact pattern actually happened last year as well. So this is the descending channel that lasted from April to September last year. We also saw two major dips. 1, 2, followed by a slight breakdown below the lower trend line. But the price bounced back, although it didn't quite reach the top of the channel. Then came a wave of risk-off sentiment fueled by multiple factors. Surge in the US Treasury yields, credit rating downgrade, the collapse of the yen carry trade, and growing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. And all of that led to a sharp drop down to 49K. And yes, you all remember it, Black Monday. But here's the thing, that wasn't the beginning of a full-on bear market. It was just a temporary flush. A panic move. And eventually, Bitcoin recovered everything and broke out the channel to the upside with the powerful rally. So, Bitcoin had two major dips, went slightly below the lower trend line, but then price bounced back up, but did not reach the upper trend line, and then price falls back, breaking this lower trend line again, leaving a quick wick, but then bounced back, and a support here, and this led to a full breakout. If that happens again, I believe it could be a lifetime buying opportunity again for Bitcoin, just like it did last time here at 49K. Whoever bought here could be holding one of the best entries ever. But if we see another drop like this, most retail traders will be too busy running for the exits. But this is exactly where elite traders step in. We don't panic, we're aware, we're prepared, there's nothing to fear. Back to the current chart. Scenario 1, breakout above upper channel. If the price goes up, breaks the upper channel, and support confirmed, long entry. Stop loss below the breakout. Pretty simple. Scenario 2, no breakout, price dumps through the lower channel with a strong wick, we can consider aggressive long entry here. Because if the price can re-enter this descending channel, most likely we'll see a breakout again. Today's video was short and to the point, just the essentials. Hope it was brief and valuable. And quick thank you, my subscription count hit 22. Appreciate the early believers. I'll keep dropping these high-level insights, and as promised, I'll be opening the Telegram channel soon. That's where I'll share more real-time insights and position updates. Early subscribers will get free access, just like I said. But for those who join later, might not stay free forever. So shout out to everyone with the foresight to be early. And to all my subscribers, I want you to stop using shady small exchanges and overpaying trading fees. BitGet and Bybit are among the biggest platforms I trust and personally use because of deep liquidity and low fees. So just simply use the links in the comments to get up to 50% off trading fees. And remember, fee savings equals more profit. It's a lifetime benefit. Grab it before your next trade. And if this video was helpful again, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Trade smart, stay sharp.